Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding destiny. You are the master of your destiny. You can influence, direct, and control your own environment. You can make your life what you want it to be. So watch your thoughts, for they become words. Watch your words, for they become actions. Watch your actions, for they become habits. Watch your habits as they become character. And watch your character, for it becomes your destiny. As destiny is not a matter of chance, it's a matter of choice, unless you fail to choose along the way. Life is in session. Let's not waste another moment, as it's time to start living the life you've imagined. Remember, if you don't make your own choices, you must live with someone else's. In the end, everything will be okay. If it's not okay, it's not yet the end. Enjoy the day.